Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about latest job openings at Guru Nanak Hospital located in Mumbai. If you mouse over on About Us page, you can see there is a history of the organization and their vision and mission details and about their logo, everything they given detailed information. You can go through it once about the About Us organization. You can get to know more information, basic information. What are the services they have? What is about the history of the organization? Like there is basic information. You can check with that, and also you can check the address location of the hospital. Here you can click on how to reach us. You will be redirected to the another page. You can see this is the address locations. Okay, let us see what are the job openings available one by one for this organization. And there is a openings for freshers and experienced people as well. Let us see one by one. If you mouse over on contact us page, you can see here there is some listed icons. Here you can see careers icon. Just click on this careers tab. Just click on this. You will be redirected to the careers page. You can see here there is variety of job positions or vacancies available. You can apply through the this page as itself. You can fill the your name, email, and job position you are applying, and job description. Like if you are looking for anything, you can apply that. You can mention your experience details if you have an experience or internship, anything, and you can attach your resume or CV here. You can submit the application, and it will be directly sent to the organization. Okay, let us see what are the job openings available. Here you can see position is listed in this column, and number of openings not listed for any of this, and experience requirements, like is it required or is it for fresher, they have mentioned here. And I can see here they clearly mention freshers and experienced candidates can apply. See, that is the meaning. Both freshers and experienced candidates both are eligible for these job roles. Okay, so you can apply without any worries, even freshers as well. And you can also see salary will be adjusted for depending upon qualification experience. Like if you have more experience and if your qualification is some extent is more than the specification, then you can expect more salary, and it will be commensurate on depending upon your qualifications and experience. Okay, so let us see what are the job openings available. And you can see Gynec RMO, there is a job opening, and minimum 1 to 2 years of experience they mentioned, but as per the update here, freshers also can apply for any of this job role. Okay, then you can see a salary offered 3 to 5 lakhs per annum, and qualification if we see should have MBBS, DGO, or BHMS or BAMS, and the salary will be commensurate with experience and qualifications. Okay, then there is a job opening for staff nurse, salary offered 2.5 lakh to 3 lakhs per annum, and qualification if we see job description, qualification if we see should have a nursing care, like assigned patients, and should have a knowledge of say maintaining safe environment and maintain good IPR, interpersonal relationship with patients, and to fulfill the patient needs. Like this is the job description details. And there is a job opening for PFT technician, and minimum 1 to 2 years of experience they are asking, but freshers also can apply. Salary offered 2 lakhs per annum, and should have a certificate of PFT. Next, there is a job opening for intensivist and associate intensivist for ICU. Minimum 3 to 5 years of experience is required in critical care. Salary offered is 9 lakh 60,000 to 12 lakhs per annum. Should have MD or anesthesia or chest DA, TDD, and with 3 to 5 years of experience in clinical care. Critical care, this is required. Okay. Next, there is a job opening for ICU, RMO, and register. 1 to 3 years of experience is required. Salary offered For BAMS BHMS qualification 3 to 6 lakhs 3.6 lakhs to 4.8 lakhs per annum, and for MBBS 6 lakhs to 7.2 lakhs per annum is offered. And you can see the job description and qualification details here. You can check with that. And there is a job opening for CMO. For BAMS BHMS salary offered 3.6 lakhs to 4.8 lakhs per annum, and for MBBS 6 lakhs to 7.2 lakhs per annum. Qualification and job description details provided here. You can check with that. Then there is a job opening for pharmacist. 1 to 2 years of experience is required, and salary offered 1.8 lakhs to 2 lakhs per annum. Qualification, if we see, should have a B pharmacy or D pharmacy and with hospital experience, and should have a computer literacy. So they have also provided some job description details here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for RMO. Minimum 1 to 2 years of experience is required. For BAMS BHMS qualification, salary offered is 2.4 lakhs to 2.6 lakhs per annum, and for MBBS 4.8 lakhs to 5 lakhs per annum is offered. And you can see the job description details here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for tutor position. Minimum 2 years of experience they are asking, but as per the update, freshers are also eligible for this all job roles. You can check with the organization for more details and information. Salary offered for tutor position is minimum 15 to 18,000 per month. Qualification, if you see, should you have a BSc nursing or post basic BSc nursing or diploma in BSc nursing. All these are all eligible, and they have also mentioned few other qualification details. You can check with that. And equivalent to BSc nursing other post as well, they are also eligible. And should next, there is a job opening for junior IT officer. 1 to 2 years of experience is required, and the number of openings is only one. Salary offered 1.8 lakhs per annum, and should you have a BSc or MSc in IT, and should you have a first level hardware troubleshooting experience and HIMS management skills. So as per the update, freshers are experienced, both candidates are eligible for all these positions. You can go through it one by one for more information. You can check each and everything. If you feel you are suitable for these positions, you can apply. Here you can fill your details. You can fill this form below, my provided form, and you can upload your resume or CV, and you can submit. It will be done your application process. So that's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings, and please subscribe my channel and encourage me to do more videos. Press the bell icon. I will be doing more updated job opening videos soon for Mumbai location and all over Maharashtra major city locations and all over India major cities. Please share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.